Hi guys, I'm trying to make a video of how you type on a computer because we're making some mistakes as we type our reading responses and our journals. So this looks a little weird and I've got everything balanced just so in case it crashes, you'll know why. So just watch and listen. As you are typing a response to a digital journal or a reading response, this is what I need you to work on. Let's say your journal was, what did you do over Christmas break? I want you to write 5 or 6 sentences to answer that. So you're going to need to use the question as your beginning. So I would say, wrong fingers. Over Christmas break, I got to sleep in a lot. Happy about that. So I'm going to put an exclamation point. Now, a couple of things just happened that aren't happening when you write. Here, I used a capital for Christmas. This is how you make a capital C. On your keyboard is two buttons that say Shift. To make a capital C, I'm going to hit the space bar a couple of times. To make a capital letter, you press Shift and the letter you want to say. So for my next sentence, over Christmas break, I got to sleep in a lot. I want to say, my family went to the movies. So I'm going to press Shift M to get a capital. If I only press just the M, I get a little m. So my family went to the movies. Period. After the period, it is super important that you hit this big long rectangle on your keyboard. Right here. It's called the space bar. After the period, there needs to be at least one space. Lots of us are leaving that out. My favorite movie of all time is, I'm going to do capital T for Toy Story. Shift and the T at the same time. Toy. Shift and the S at the same time. Story. Period. Space bar. Another thing that we are missing up a lot is this. That word is I. Now in this font, it doesn't have a top and bottom, but that is a capital I. Now, lots of you are typing this and not using a capital, so let me show you what that looks like. When I went out to play, I got, oops, we're falling, sorry, very cold. You see these little eyes right here? This is not okay when you are writing for a school purpose. That's okay on your phone or when you're doing Snapchat or texting, but not okay when you write, and I take points off for this. Now, if you notice, there's lots of little red lines in here. I don't know if your computer does that, but if it does, that's my computer telling me I made a mistake. So I'm going to put my mouse near this, and it's telling me I need a comma. It's also going to tell me that a lot is 2 words. The red line here says change it to a capital. So if your computer is telling you it's made mistakes, you've made mistakes, go change those. Another mistake I'm seeing is contractions. When we write contractions, we have to put the apostrophe in it. So I'm going to write, I can't wait to come back to school. I capital can't, C-A-N-T. Wait to come back to school. This is not okay. Can't has to have an apostrophe in it. So when I'm typing, I have to hit, and I'm going to retype this. On the keyboard is a key here next to the Enter button. That is the apostrophe. So when I'm typing C-A-N apostrophe T, you have to put the apostrophe in there. So I'm going to write C-A-N. I'm going to press this button right here. Let's see if we can make you see it. That put the little apostrophe and then the T. So those are some mistakes we're making when we're writing. I hope that this video made sense. And this will help you fix those mistakes so I don't have to take any more points off. Remember, capital letters always on proper nouns like Christmas or Toy Story or names. Apostrophes. Put a space after your period and always a capital I. Thanks, guys.